Does this sound like your life? It's 7 p.m., your brain is completely fried, and you have to chop, cook, and clean an entire kitchen for just one meal. I was trapped in this nightmare loop, losing hundreds of hours of my life. But what if I told you that I prepped all of this, an insane amount of food for a whole week, in the same amount of time it takes to make just 2 dinners? If you want to completely crush your meal prep time and take your life back, do not go anywhere. All right, this first secret will literally change your life. Stop thinking in complete, boring meals. From now on, you are a component prepper. Instead of making 5 identical Tupperware meals that you hate by Tuesday, you are going to prep giant batches of ingredients you can mix and match into anything. This is how you destroy food boredom and make your prep insanely efficient. For this challenge, we have 3 things. First, a gigantic batch of a grain. I'm using quinoa, but you can use rice, couscous, anything. Get that cooking first because you don't even have to watch it. Next, a versatile protein. I'm grilling a mountain of chicken with just salt and pepper. This will go in salads, wraps, bowls, literally anything. Finally, a massive sheet pan of roasted vegetables. I have broccoli, bell peppers, and onions in olive oil. These are going into the oven to get amazing while we do everything else. By prepping components, you aren't trapped. You've just created a fridge full of endless possibilities. You can mix and match whatever you please, and you can customize every meal. It's freedom. My second secret is how we're going to obliterate cleanup and make everything taste better. You will master the one-pan meal. Let's be real, the worst part of cooking is that giant mountain of dishes. The one-pan method is your new secret weapon. We already started with our roasted veggies, but we can push it even further. You can literally cook your protein and your vegetables on the exact same pan. Imagine savory sausage with peppers and onions, or tender salmon with asparagus and potatoes. Everything roasts together, all the flavors get insane, and you have one single pan to wash. It's perfect for a few meals during the week, and it cuts your cooking and cleaning time to almost nothing. Hack number 3 is simple. Let a machine do all the boring work. Put your knife down and get out your food processor. Why would you waste 15 minutes trying to perfectly chop onions, garlic, and carrots? Get it? Because it takes 5 seconds. I used to spend 15 minutes just on chopping. Now, I throw it all in the food processor, and 5 seconds later, it's done. Here's an even crazier pro tip. Make a giant batch of minced garlic and store it in a jar with olive oil. It stays fresh in the fridge and is ready to go whenever you need it. That one trick saves me minutes every single day. My final secret is so easy, it feels like you're cheating. Have ingredients in your arsenal that require 0 cooking. Seriously? Not every part of your meal has to be cooked from scratch. This is about working smarter, not harder. Think about things you just add for flavor and texture. This can be a can of chickpeas or black beans. All you do is rinse them. It could be a bag of pre-washed spinach you just throw into a container. Or maybe it's an incredible sauce you make in 30 seconds by shaking it in a jar, like a lemon vinaigrette or a creamy yogurt dressing. When it's time to eat, you'll grab your pre-cooked chicken, your quinoa, your roasted veggies, and then throw in a handful of that spinach and some chickpeas for an instant. Incredible bowl. No extra cooking, no extra cleaning, and now for the best part. With our components ready, we can assemble an entire week of different meals in just minutes. Watch this. For meal 1, I'll grab quinoa, top it with our chicken, a scoop of roasted veggies, and some hummus. Boom, done. For another meal, I'll take that same chicken and throw it in a wrap with a huge handful of spinach and our vinaigrette. Done. Or we can make a simple, amazing bowl with the roasted veggies and some of those black beans. The combinations are literally endless. And there you have it. Just look at this mountain of food. In under 2 hours, we have a huge variety of healthy, delicious meals ready for the whole week. Every single one is portioned, ready to go, and will save you an unbelievable amount of time. So that's the secret. That's how you take over your kitchen and prep a week of food in under 2 hours. We did it by prepping versatile components, not boring meals, mastering the one-pan wonder, letting our food processor do the hard work, and using genius no-cook ingredients. If you found these tips helpful, destroy that like button and subscribe for more insane challenges that make your life easier. And I really want to hear from you. Tell me in the comments what your single biggest meal prep nightmare is. I will literally help you solve it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.